Well, guys and gals, it's been a few weeks, but we're back at her. Today's objective, try and get these seats out and do a little cleanup, you know, hit her with the old sucky here real quick and see what we can't do on a brisk December Sunday. It's main objective, we're trying to get rid of the rat hotel while I've been gone. Pops has hit the button there, but my bad. But yeah, so we got Pops got all that out of there for the majority. Just piece by piece, trying not to screw up the actual metal here. So as you can see, got some of the old welds from this booger job, so going piece by piece, just really trying not to screw up this metal. Still got all this wiring from whatever he was trying to accomplish here. Looking at everything though, I am still 99% sure this guy had an LS in whatever power plant, or as his power plant for whatever he had this sitting on. Just based on the wiring, looking at it, the computer sitting there, and all the pieces. All the pieces lead me to say LS, but you know, it is what it is. I mean, it's one of those, the boogers in here, you know, are pretty hefty, decent pedalage, but we're gonna peel her apart and we'll show you where we get. I keep forgetting. Free pencils, never even sharpened. Got some free plastic hubcap covers. Those are mint. Free lug nuts. Those are mint. Is it? Oh, Father.
What?
We got free sockets here, baby.
Oh, jeez, look at
Free
that.
sockets. What size we looking at here? Rust. Wait. 7/8. He snapped off the. He snapped his extension off.
That was that one I threw out.
But
The extension?
I do not. But hey, baby.
I found it.
Free.
I threw it out.
Free tools are good tools.
Well, we can bust that end out.
Giving her the old sucky. Free seats to anyone who wants them. It's a joke. I refuse to give any of you hepatitis C from these seats. These are... I'll give you the shakes. They will probably give you something else too. Well, as you can see behind me, they're out. It definitely frees up some space in here, I'll tell you that. Now I can drive to the inn with more space than I could ever ask for. It's now able to start seeing little things even from the inside. Got a little bit of our rust issues here. Gonna happen with age. I got this, which I've pointed out prior. More electrical back here that's gonna see the road. Brake release. Oh, I think that might, oh, hey, there we go. I'm still such a fan of this guy. I mean, I don't know which one of Santa's elves was in on that, or which Mormon, but someone was. We found some more trim pieces here. A little bit of everything. Everyone was invited to this party today, except for the chairs. The chairs were getting evicted. But all in all, we are today's objective pretty well done. We're seeing a lot of hackage here. This was decently well hacked together, but you know, it'll happen. And this is why we come together as builders, as a community, and we de-hack and we do things the right way the second time around, I guess, is the best way of looking at it. And, as we were thinking, me and my dad were talking earlier and kind of realized, like, as much as anyone wants to look at this and go, oh, you're ruining, old cars and stuff. Well, the number of these I passed on because they were whole trucks. We had, the whole cabs, the original frames, the original beds, the original everything. The number of those I passed on because I didn't want to be that person is up there. A lot of them I saw, a lot of offers of people, hey, I'm selling mine, come and get it. Well, someone else can have that and, actually restore that. We didn't want to be doing that. We didn't want to be tearing apart what could be someone's project. So, but for now, seats are out. A little more cleanup to do just on the floor of the interior. All this wiring's got to get pulled. We're gonna come ahead and through here, try and get these hood brackets out of here, which were kind of boogered in there. I'm not even sure how. I think down there. There's your second one to hold the hood on here. This other one, little boogered, to get her to hold. I think the other one's inside in there somewhere, but came to the realization we're probably going to have to slice off what is already a reface of the firewall. But outside of that, for right now, we're gonna finish cleaning these floors and we'll see where we get for the day. We ended off our day today in the trailer. Got the first banner up, little Route 66, and we got this pretty well placed out where we want it. So yeah, this is a nice little toolbox for when we're ripping the old trailer. Main use is just, whatever car's in here. If we're going to a show or anything, we're kind of custom building the trailer our way. So that's been our day so far. Well, end of the day, sun has left the crisp Wisconsin skies. Got a decent amount done for what it is. We're not working lightning speed. This isn't what you see on TV. Anyone that does this stuff knows it. Moves slow, moves at whatever pace you can do it. And when it's 26 degrees out in the crisp airs of Wisconsin, it's slow. But, contracted HIV from these nice seats here are, what was the captain's chair, what was the drinker's chair, what is going to be the frame for ye old bitch. We still don't have a name. Still don't have a name for this old girl. I think fried chicken is the name, personally. Because fried chicken is brown. This was a poultry truck. I think fried chicken's the name. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think of the old girl. What do you think of the name? But I think fried chicken works. But for this crisp Sunday, I think that's all about what we're gonna do. We're just gonna finish packing it up, finish covering this gem up with the tarps. You never know what Mother Nature's going to throw at you. Who knows? It could snow tonight. I don't know. I'm not a weatherman. But, I'm going to sign off here for the day. So, thank you for joining me. Thank you for watching, and we will see you next time here at ACR Garage.